In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly edit out silent parts from your videos using Kapwing. This is a handy technique if you want to create a more polished and engaging video by removing any pauses that might break the flow. Plus, it can really help keep your audience's attention throughout your content. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to kapwing.com and hit the Create New button. This is where the magic begins. Kapwing provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies video editing, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, just dipping your toes into video creation. Next, you'll want to upload your media. Click on Upload Media to add your video file to the project. This might take a moment or two depending on the size of your file and your internet connection, so don't worry if it takes a bit of time. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see it appear on the timeline below. This is your workspace where you'll make all the necessary edits. Now go ahead and play your video and pause at the start of any section where there's silence. Silences can sometimes be inadvertently included during recording and might disrupt the flow of your narrative or message. Click on the Split button, which looks like a pair of scissors. Splitting your video at the point where silence starts separates it into distinct segments, which will be crucial for our next steps. Move the playhead along the timeline to the point where the silence ends, and then click Split again. By doing this, you isolate the silent section from the rest of your video, making it easy to identify parts you want to remove. With the silent section now neatly marked off, click on the silent part in the timeline to select it. You'll then want to click on the Delete button, which is represented by a trash icon. Deleting removes the unwanted segment from your timeline, allowing you to clean up your video sequence. Once it's removed, you'll see a gap where that silent section used to be. Simply drag the clips on either side of the gap together to close it. It's almost like bridging the two ends of a road to ensure a smooth journey for your viewers. This method keeps your video flowing well and maintains engagement by eliminating unnecessary pauses. Repeat these steps for any other silent parts in your video. Once you've gone through and tightened everything up, you're ready for the final steps. Just click on Export Project and finally, Download to save your newly edited video. Kapwing will process your project and give you a polished file ready to be shared with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just turned a video with potentially distracting silences into a seamless and more professional-looking piece of content. Happy editing!